Congratulations, you landed your dream job. Your dreams come true. Finally, you got the call from HR that you have been waiting for a while anxiously. With all the good intentions and dreams, you want to dedicate yourself to achieve your goals and prove yourself as an asset to the company. But before jumping into work and diving into the busy schedule, there are some important steps you need to take. On this page, I will talk about the offer letter and what you need to pay attention to before even started working. But before talking about it, one thing every employee should be aware. What are the average employment terms in the company? If you find out that the people come and go and no one seems to retire from that company, it's a red flag. Either people are not happy or the company finds a way to terminate them even just before retirement. Especially if you are thinking that this place is where you will work long years to come. I will write another page about things to do before going into the interview. But now, let's go back to the offer letter. Check if the letter mentions you are hired at Woolbase. This is number one to avoid job offers, as it gives power to employer without giving much explanation to fire you. Perhaps your supervisor didn't like you as a person or a jealous employee spread gossips about you. It gives chance to the employer to terminate your position. So what to do if your offer letter includes a willing base? It is better to ask questions to HR about the policies. What is the reason for hire at will base mentioned in the letter? Tell you have never hired this way before, or if it is your first position, try to learn what it means for the company. Is it a common hiring method in the company? Try to get as much information as possible. If you feel difficult to explain, try to find out how many employees were terminated and what are the reasons. Again, this is very tied to learning everything about employment policies. Learn if there is any grievance period given to the employees before layoffs. Go online and try to find out reviews from the previous employees. Glassdoor website is my to-go website. Learn about the promotion periods, how many employees are promoted in the company. Try to learn if the company has a policy against unions. Finally, if your offer letter is based on at will base, from day one, never stop looking for another positions. And it will be a lot easier to find a job when you are employed. Always be ready for bad days. Get everything in writing, email or letters, and don't forget to copy them. In case you are terminated, these company emails will be out of reach. Either take prints or forward them in your private email. Whatever happens, always be respectful. If you write emails, always address people with their title and end with, "I thank you for your time and regards, sincerely, etc." Even if it becomes difficult. Take photos of your work environment. There might be policies against it, but in case of an accident, this will help you. If you can't take photos, some things are against the work environment rules, find a way to address them. If there are general meetings, ask if that is possible to address these issues. If you can't send emails, don't bring those as negative criticism. So far, those are the initial steps you need to take. For anyone, my number one suggestion through my years of experience is to have a journal. Starting from your interview, write everything down in that notebook. Note everything you have done daily. If you had to stand up for 6 hours without any chance of rest, or if you had to carry something out of your environment, write it down with dates and without exaggerating, just simple sentences such as, "I started working at 8 a.m. and the break was at 3 p.m. for 15 minutes, or any tasks that were given to you and by who. If someone said something that seemed strange, every night give 5 to 10 minutes to take notes. Later you will forget details. You are doing that for yourself, going back in time and looking at the work you have done and how you handled difficulties. Remember, if something happens, you can be confident that you know how and why things happened. But again, never alter or write about your personal feelings. Think about you are a recording machine. On the next page, I will talk about how insurance policies are very important in workers' compensation cases. P.S. If you are still waiting for your case to settle or for the court hearing and looking for ways to find a way to make money online, I can recommend the link below, as you will have incredible lessons from A to Z on how to make money via affiliate marketing. Until the next video, I wish you all the best, believe in yourself, and be strong. I hope you like this video, and if so, please subscribe and like. I appreciate it. Stay well, friends. Goodbye.